It's 2018, and if you bought a television in the past year or two, you probably already have a smart television which can connect to the internet, get you all the content from all these various streaming providers out there. But if you don't have a smart television, all you need is a Google Chromecast, and let's see what this device can do. Now this is the third generation device. The first generation came out a few years ago and the second generation came out in 2015. The first thing that you notice on this is that the Chrome logo has changed to the standard Google logo, the G that you see on Google Home and many other Google hardware devices today. This is a simple, easy to use kind of device. It plugs into the HDMI of your television. It has a mini USB port on the other side. It's got a nice sleek matte finish to it. It comes in two colors. This is the gray that you're looking at over here, and it also comes in a white. This is all you need to kind of, make your television into a smart television. It's also got a small button that can be used to reset your device or use for connectivity. It's also got a little indicator light to show you that the power is on, so that you know that the device is actually switched on and working. Setup for this device is really simple. Once you plug it into your television, you get a Wi-Fi to which you can connect your phone, tablet or PC, and then configure this to connect to your home Wi-Fi, configure settings, install apps, install updates to your apps, all of these. Once set up, it's very easy to take any content of any of the applications and stream it right from your phone into your Chromecast, or even share the screen of your phone, tablet, laptop and put it on your television. Now let's take a look at the features. The Chromecast Generation 3 comes with Bluetooth. Bluetooth makes it very interesting because you already can play games on the Chromecast, but now you can add a gaming controller and have a much better experience while gaming. Also, all of Google's audiovisual apps have casting functionality built right in. You have a slideshow for everybody from your Google Photos, or you can stream your Google Movies, play Google Play Music and all of that for the entire home. There's also a huge amount of Google Chromecast apps. Now this is something in India you see a big difference from the last few years. So there's YouTube, Google Play Movies, Hotstar, Sony Live, Voot, JioCinema, Netflix, Eros Now, audio streaming apps like Gaana, Saavn, Wink Music, and 800 plus Android and iPhone apps is what Google claims. Now on the performance of this device, it's a pretty good device that streams 1080p at 60 frames per second, and that's new in the Generation 3. It still does not do 4K. There is a Chromecast version 2 that does 4K, which is a different device. Given that there is not enough 4K content in India, 1080p is good for most people. It's also got much better connectivity with better support for 5 GHz Wi-Fi, something that you find pretty standard on most routers today. Overall, the Google Chromecast is a very easy, simple to use, intuitive device, and it's pocket friendly, both to kind of put it into your pocket or for what you pay for it, which is about $3,499. For a lot more insights and product reviews, subscribe to Mashable India.